I realized that we forgot to define pi, or I forgot to define pi. So let's put that one. I am still on page 13. We're right here under circumference. Pi is a Greek letter. Looks like that. It is a Greek letter that represents a mathematical constant. It never changes. Wherever you see it, it is the same. It's always related to a circle, and the exact value for pi is the fraction 22/7. The estimate for pi is 3.14. And let me show you where that estimate is derived. If I take 22/7 and divide that, and I'm going to move that up. Well, I thought I was. How about I just do it again? Let's do it right here. 22 divided by 7. It's going to go 3 times. So I will add a 0 and drop it down. And that would go 1 time with 3 left. So let me add another 0 and drop it down. And that would go 4 times with 2 left. And let me drop one more 0. And that would go 2 times. This will never terminate. Pi will never come out even. So we're going to say that it is about 3.14. That's the approximation. If you need an exact answer, you want to always use 22/7. But in all of our problems, we're going to use, or I'm going to use 3.14. But just know that pi goes with circles. You have an exact 22/7 or an approximation of 3.14.